Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create AI art for Etsy prints. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to pick your niche, abstract and aesthetic print, or you want to print some pets or something like that. Narrowing your style will help you stand out in Etsy search. Now generate an AI art. Use Midjourney, Canva AI, or even ChatGPT to help you generate an AI art of the niche that you have selected. Now you can edit and enhance your artwork using Photoshop, Canva, GIMP to resize, clean up, and add text. Now convert it to high resolution and export it in print-friendly sizes. After this, create an Etsy listing about your particular art and choose a price for that. Now you can simply deliver files and market your product. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.